All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. It helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know that you appreciate the time and effort that I put into making these videos for every single investor and viewer. Stay tuned towards the end because I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys. I sound like a broken record about this one, but I definitely want you guys to not miss out on it. Add it to your watch list because it's said to be the stock of the decade. You can look up the ticker symbol and put stock of the decade on Google and the articles should pop up. You will be surprised. I mean, this is an untapped market, but stay tuned for that. So here we are. CTRM, Castor Maritime Inc. CTRM stock is sitting at 80 cents. So right now it's kind of sideways, but it brought itself up from these lows down here of 69.70 cents. So that's some signs of strength here. We got some signs of strength, but the bulls still have a lot of work to do to pull upwards, right? Hopefully they can go ahead and use this slight pullback as momentum to slingshot upwards. I look forward to seeing your guys' thoughts down below about this. Do you think this can cross $1? How many shares do you own currently? Have you been selling, buying more on the dips? I look forward to seeing everyone's thoughts and approaches on their position down below. So here we are, 80 cents, 50-day moving average is 79 cents. I'm not going to talk about the hundreds and thousands place. I'm just going to round down and up. 79 cents is our 50-day moving average. We're currently sitting above it by 1 cent. So this is in tug of war zone. You can also see here how it was used as support. So that's a good sign that the bulls might pull up with some more momentum. We'll have to see how next week plays out. But, you know, that's a start, right? So another thing too, this week, the lowest that we reached was on the 25th, and we're almost leading towards the end of the month. So we have to see how, you know, the end of the month plays out and the rest of the week. So next week will be interesting, actually. But hopefully the bulls can use this as momentum to pull upwards. Now, our support, if the 50-day moving average gets crossed, is 77 cents. If that gets crossed, the next support level would be down here at 72 cents. You want to see if the bulls are trying to reappear within this area, or are the bears tearing this one down fairly fast. You definitely want to watch for these cues to see how the stock is reacting, and we want to pay close attention and remember 70 cents, 69 cents is the lowest support level in this bearish run. That cannot be crossed. If it does, we're going to hit newer lows, okay? I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware of that. So what is our resistance? Well, this is the point of reference that the bulls need a breakthrough and pull upwards to reach newer highs. And that's 84.29. This one I'm going to state exactly because to the T, this needs to be crossed so that the bulls can reach newer highs, pull away from the 50-day moving average, and build momentum by using it as support to reach newer levels of resistance and get deeper into bullish territory. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. Stay tuned to the end because I have a ticker symbol you guys won't want to miss. I sound like a broken record. I've talked about it many times, but now as it's pulling back, I want more investors to be aware of it than before, and every single time that I mention it, I find value in this, especially with how much potential it has in its untapped market. Stay tuned for that. So the ticker symbol that you guys should add to your watch list is definitely one that I'm about to sound like a broken record. I did a full video on it. I'm going to have it pop up soon somewhere up here on this side of the screen. And you guys should definitely go check it out if you have time or if you want to stick through for this. Now, the other video is a full due diligence, almost 16 minutes of me talking about GHVI, my bullish case on it, and how I feel about it. But here I'm going to summarize everything that I've said so far and when I started to watch it and tell all the members over at the Patreon about it. So if you like this video and you find it helpful and informative, please do so and smash that like button to let me know you appreciate the time and effort that I put into these videos and it helps out the YouTube channel. So the ticker symbol is GHVI. We're going to look at this chart in just a moment, but let me give you guys just a little brief summary, which is what I told the Patreon members. So I said this back on March 1st. And GHVI is a SPAC, but not just any, okay? This is probably one of those that are going to be the outperforming SPACs and not a lot of them do this. So GHVI stands out, right? GHVI is a stock with upside growth. The merger has been announced with Matterport in an untouched market. So what is Matterport? It is scanning apps for buildings, right? And turning the physical space into digital space. The company does this with professional cameras that create a 3D layout with the 360-degree scans. That's like really impressive, okay? Top-notch technology, and I mean just innovation in general. And it's coming to become the norm, right? The future, and then it's going to be a norm. And as this SPAC grows, you know, there's going to be more hype and anticipation behind it. So the chart was pretty tough to read on March 1st. Obviously, today is the 26th, so I'm going to share with you guys more information. But I did tell everyone since that date that the chart is pretty tough to read, not enough data. Now, if the market continues to pull back, this one still has room to continue a downward trend, but it is a must-watch stock moving forward. We have seen its high and how much it has pulled back recently. This company is a game changer in the real estate business, okay? And let me show you guys the graph. So at that time, all the indicators were really hard to read. There wasn't even indicators. Nothing was really popping up. This still doesn't even have a 50-day moving average, right? Doesn't even have that. But it ran up really fast once the announcement was made, and then it pulled back really hard. So this was around March 5th. I caught it on March 1st. It was sitting around here. I said there was room. It did fall. It hit $11, bounced back up to 17, and it's falling again. As this is falling, these are the opportunities. And today it hit a low of $13 and some change. This is definitely one that if you have not added to your watch list, you should add it to your watch list. I'm going to post up here the video that I go ahead and do my full due diligence if you guys want to check it out. And if not, go check out the website, matterport.com. It's going to tell you everything about this company. So this one right here is said to be the stock of the decade. This is the stock you want on your watch list. This is a stock you want to at some point own because you want to take out that shot with the opportunity that's presenting itself in an untapped market. And it's the leading industry leader, like literally. GHVI is going to merge with the leader of the industry, Matterport. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.